What did you dream of becoming when you grow up?
I want to be a teacher, an engineer. I want to be a dancer.
I want to be a farmer.
I want to become a musician.
I want to become an advocate.
I want to be a pilot.
I want to be a professional golfer.
Slum golf is exactly what it sounds like. Golf played in the narrow streets and alleyways of their informal community. 6-year-old Ashmi has been playing in her community with her tremendous golfing abilities. Her father, Suresh Mehbubani, work as caddy in Mumbai Golf Club, has been playing a momentous role in making her ride the crest of success. Ashmi's biggest supporter is her father, who wants to see his child touch new heights. To become a golf parent,
She is strong.
She has a good skill.
She is smart, not hard.
Ashmi is a very good player. Her chipping putting is very strong.
She is the only youngest female slum golfer.
slum golf is what she played for fun, fitness and practice. Ashmi's dream is to turn pro and win an international tournament. So what it takes to raise a junior golfer in India? For raising a golfer like Ashmi, a parent needs to be ready to devote time and need to take care of the financial costs as well. The game is too demanding in terms of the time involved. Have to manage school curriculum as well. The golf courses are expensive and you can't expect to pay such high green fees in order to get the junior golf to practice. I personally feel if the Golf Club of India can come out with junior membership plans which are subsidized, meaning if someone can thread a fine line between supporting and pushing gifted children like Ashmi to dream big